Hey guys, what's up? It is Landon Gamer here, / Ultimate Pig, and today we would be playing Flappy Bird. Let's do this. Doop, 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 doop. No! I need to do this. This is so annoying. Flappy Bird, how dare you? Doop, doop. Guys, this is weird to control because whenever you try to go, no! Oh, I got one. Okay, that's fair enough with Nan. Let's do this, people. No. Let's do this. We need to flap your wings. Dang it. Guys, this is like the hardest game ever, and it's so annoying, too. Yes! No, I got 2 this time, guys. We need to try and beat my high score. Okay, I need to do this, guys. Dang it. Okay, guys, I'm going to try and beat my high score. Okay, guys, I couldn't get past my score. So, we just have to do this again. Doop. Doop. Doopity doop. Oh, okay. No! Flappy Bird, you are so annoying. This is like the annoying game in the whole entire world. Oh, dang it. Do we have to do this? Oh my gosh, that's weird, guys. Okay, okay. 3! No, what? 3, 2, 1. Let's do this, guys. We talked about this, Mr. Birdie. Go. Guys, this is the hardest game like ever. Let's do this, guys. Go, 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 go. No. Are you serious? Okay, guys. We need to try and complete this. Guys, we just failed again, like always. Doop, doop, doop. Doopa doop, a doopa doop, doopa. Okay. We couldn't do the dupe style. No! We have to do this. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. No! Let's do this, guys. We can complete this, okay? Flappy Bird. Did you have to do that, Flappy Bird? This is like the annoying game ever. No. 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 Let's do this, guys. Why don't it ever changes my bird of the color? That's just confusing. Go, 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 go. We can complete this, guys. Oh. Okay, guys. No. Go, 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 go. Go. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, if you're new to this channel, subscribe. And if you want to give this a big thumbs up, and guys, I'm gonna do these videos once a week, really hard games to see what my high score is. And my high score is 2. So bye, guys.